Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan, welcome back to The Forge. In this episode, trust me, I'm a blacksmith. I'm going to turn this piece of bar into the ultimate bottle opening device. So, as a top level Patreon, you get to request the subject of one video, and Thomas Wallian has requested I make this. So basically it looks like a bit of a fish with a bottle opener on one end and a corkscrew for a nose, and that's what I'm going to make in this video. I'm going to use this piece of DNA and hopefully he likes it. I'll see you the other side. hope you enjoyed that video, and Thomas, I hope that this is kind of what you were looking for when you were asking for the bottle opener slash bottle opener, I guess. Corkscrew on one end, bottle opener on the other. I really enjoyed making this. This came out lovely, and as an extra bonus, Thomas, for being so patient with me and waiting for all the problems, this is coming out to you anyway. So I did say I was going to send you something a little extra, and this will be it. So you'll have to test it out and show me if it works or not, especially this end. I know this end will probably work. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that end will work. It's just this end. I have no idea if it's going to work quite so well. I've never made one of these before. This is the first time, and I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you want to see the video on how I found out how to make the corkscrew super easy, I will put a link down to the Mark Asprey video I copied. So I'm just going to pop this down, and I have one more piece of information to give you guys. If you are a Patreon, you may or may not have noticed that the raffle part, the giveaway entry thing, may have disappeared. I did do the raffle the other day, and there were some winners. You guys are going to get your stuff still, but after this there will be no winners. There will be no competition anymore. There's two reasons. The first reason is that Patreon have a no raffle policy now. I don't know when that was introduced, and I don't know why it's happened specifically on Patreon, but unfortunately Patreon has a no raffle policy, so I can't do it. Also, because of certain laws, I don't know if they're US laws, I don't know if they're UK laws, I didn't do enough research, but I do know there are some laws in America, they might just be specifically American, that if you pay for an entry into a competition, that's gambling, and I don't have a license to undertake those sorts of competitions, or lotteries as they are known as, therefore I'm not allowed to do them. It's illegal gambling. So I'm very sorry about that. I hate to do it. Raffles, I believe raffles which involve no monetary entry and no work entry, so i.e. you don't buy an item and then get entered into a competition, you don't pay to enter into a competition, or you don't have to do something stupid like go away and make me something and send it in to me, and then win something. They're all lotteries per se. You don't have to do, I'm not allowed to do any of those, but things like saying, chuck a comment down below, I will randomly pick a comment, I think that's okay. I will do some more research into it, so there will still be able to do the raffle giveaways like the Millennial Hammer thing that happened, but unfortunately the paid for entries to competitions, they can't happen anymore. If you are interested in becoming a Patreon, there will be a link in the description, and there will be one at the end of the video that you can go and check out. So by becoming a Patreon gives you the opportunity to get extra Dan, or a magazine subscription kind of thing, and basically what happens is you get extra posts, you get some extra early content, and you get a welcome pack depending on which level you enter in at. You'll get your name shouted out in a video, and if you're like Thomas and you go for the highest level, trust me, I'm a master blacksmith level, you will get a video with an item dedicated to you made in it, and perhaps I might send that item to you. It does all depend. Tom's circumstances are a little bit special, and I can stick this in the post. Now, there's another Thomas who's having his, who is also has an option coming up very soon. He's given me two choices, and I think we're going to go with the second choice only because something special is going to happen for the other one, meaning that there's going to be a bit of a charity fundraiser auction thing that might be happening. But we'll see how that all goes in the future. So if you enjoyed this video, remember, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and then next to the subscribe button there's a little picture of a bell. If you click that bell, that will give you notifications of every time I make a video. I make videos as often as possible, but unfortunately things are really busy at the minute, so it's going to slow down a little bit, probably a video a week. I am sorry about that, but chuck something in the comments if you want to, say illegal gambling organisation or something stupid like that. That'd be hilarious. And anything basically. Hello, any questions about this, questions about Patreon, just chuck them down below, and I'm quite happy to answer any questions you might have. And then I will chuck a video up here to the most recent hammer time, and I will also chuck a video down here to some chain stuff that we did not so long ago. There's the Patreon button, and that down there is the subscribe button. See you guys later. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.